Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Twitch. Watch and stream live content step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or launch the Twitch app on your phone or tablet. Check that your internet connection is stable so the login process and streams work smoothly. Go to Twitch TV on desktop, or make sure you are on the official Twitch app on mobile. Look at the top right corner of the screen and find the login button. Click or tap login to open the sign-in window. Choose whether you want to log in with a Twitch username and password or use a linked option if available. If you have a Twitch account, click the username field and type your username or email. Click the password field and type your password carefully with correct capitalization. If you are on a shared device, do not select any option that keeps you signed in. Click or tap the login button to submit your details. If you see a verification or security check, complete it as instructed on the screen. If Twitch asks for a two-factor authentication code, open your Authenticator app or check your SMS. Enter the code quickly before it expires, then confirm to continue. If you forgot your password, select Trouble logging in or Forgot password to start recovery. Enter your email address or username for recovery and follow the reset link you receive. After logging in, confirm you see your profile icon in the top right to verify success. To watch live content, use the search bar to find a streamer, game, or category. Click a channel name to open the live stream page. Use the volume and quality settings in the player to match your device and connection. Sign in is required to chat, so click the chat box and accept any chat rules if prompted. To follow a streamer, click the follow button on the channel page for future notifications. To start streaming, click your profile icon and select Creator Dashboard. In the dashboard, review your stream key and settings, and keep your stream key private. Download and install streaming software like OBS Studio if you do not have it yet. Open OBS. Add your video and audio sources. Then connect OBS to Twitch using your account or stream key. Set your stream title, category, and tags in Twitch to help viewers find your content. Click Start Streaming in OBS and confirm your live status appears in the Twitch dashboard. Use the dashboard to monitor chat, stream health, and alerts while you are live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.